This lesson is called Simplifying the Ratio of Linear Polynomials. 1, -1, and no simplification. What that means is it's either going to simplify to 1 or to -1, or we're not going to be able to simplify it at all. So in this example, the first problem, it cannot be simplified. There's no common factors that either of these expressions in the numerator or denominator has that we can factor out. So we're not going to be able to cancel anything on this one. So we'll just put cannot be simplified. On the second part of this problem, we can actually, if you notice, they both have an 8y and they both have a 3. The problem is they're different signs. So if we were to factor out, say, a -1 out of the denominator, then we would get 8y minus 3 in the denominator also. So here, if we take out a -1, then our 3 will be negative and our 8y will be positive. Now, this is the same as what's in the numerator. So we're going to be able to cancel those. The numerator goes to 1, the denominator is -1. So our solution would be -1. All right, so let's look at another one. We have 3y plus 4, and just because they're the different order doesn't mean that they're different. They're actually going to be the same. So this is 1. So they'll cancel each other out, and we'll get 1. In the denominator, they both have a 2 and a 3y, but the signs are switched. So this is just like in the first example. The first problem, second part, where we could take out a -1. So we can take that out of, let's do the numerator, and we will have a -1, which means the 2 will go negative and the 3y will go positive. And that's the same thing that's in the denominator, just switched up. So we'll be able to cancel those, and our solution will be -1. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.